One down.
Okay. Steady breathing lang, madam. Inhale, down ka gamay, ma'am. Ayaw lang i-try ang lobot, ma'am. Inaog lang gamay. Straight lang, ma'am. Okay. Ginawa.
Focus on your core strength. Squeeze your stomach. That's the secret.
Okay, let's go. Sisi, ora kay sa uban, oy. No transition daw. Wow. Gamay na lang, madam. Hold on, madam.
2 down.
Down na, ma'am. Okay na, ma'am. Three down. Malo, gamay na lang. Ay, 4 down. Wow, going strong si ma'am.
Grabe si AF, oy. Go, AF!
Saka lubot, sir. Ay, sir, saka na po kayo mong lubot, sir. Number naka-warmer green.
Tama si AF, ugma pa ni Mahuman.
Na, alas. Wa na si sir. Let's go.
So we will, nanatay champion sa itong 10K. Female Miss Lina Abala, don't stop. Padayon lang as long as you can. And also the 21K, April Jalampayan, don't stop. Automatic na kamo ang champion sa inyong category. Padayon. Padayon. We have 10K female and 21K champion.
Kana. Aray ko. Namiyay ka kumbay,
You will get a prize from Fit Right, your partner for this event.
Knockdown.
Your sports apparel. Okay, Pedrosita, down, out. Okay, congratulations, Ma'am April and Ma'am Lina Alaba. You are the champion of 10 and 21K category.
Gabi babae sa luyo.
What's the category niya? 3 siya. So, continue, ma'am. Ikaw na ang winner sa iyong category. Continue lang. Ayaw mag-stop. 21K. We have remaining. What about the 10K?
Partida yung saon na yung weight sa luyo. Ibutangan o timbang. Partida kayo, nabay.
10K. Kinsa, nauna ninyo. Huwag kong kabantay. Kinsa yung champion. So si GV ang champion sa itong 10K. Jack, no Monday, your chest's on the ground na. Sorry. But continue, okay? Padayon, Lester. Okay, we have the champion. Bulatati. You are the champion of 21K category. And padayon na ba? We have 21. Okay, biyara ang atong fittest runner for this MW Run 2025. 21K finisher ni sila, but then, what a core strength. Calling Mr. Lexton Tabal to the awarding of our winners sa Aplang Challenge. Right Feet, your sports apparel partner. Go, no transition.
Update lang, last runner na nasa NGCP. 21K runner last NGCP.
2.5 km about na mo finish ang ato ang last runner. Five minutes.
21K runner, congratulations sir! You are a warrior! Pakpakat mo guys! Yes!
mo give up? Okay, pasagdaan nato na sila. Let's do the awarding for the 3K category. Pasagdaan nato na sila niya. Alright? Turn over na ko ni Miss Vicky para sa tuwang winners for 3K male.
Okay. Pasagdan lang muna mo dira, mag-awarding lang niya. Laban lang jud mo. Laban lang jud mo, hantong mo man ha, bantay bitaw na. Okay. For our 3K open category, may we request the presence of Ma'am Loinda and Sir Arnold gihapon to award. Okay.
Congratulations, 10K runner. Congrats, ma'am.
Okay na, lipa ka na. Yeah! Ato interview si Sir, si sikreto ani niya anong nakalangtod, jud siya hangtod. Sir, pwede ba ka ma-interview kaniyot, sir? Kaya kung matubag doon, imugsakto ikaw kung pamanahan sa right fit. Okay, sir, ano sa iyong pangalan?
Jonathan Paul Bulatete.
Sir Jonathan, ano sa may sikreto ni mo sa iyong fitness? Kaya ikaw mo dyan ka mananaw sa Pagkita Challenge for the 21 kilometer.
Kuhan lang, kanang endurance. Always.
Endurance all. Okay. Sige, it's for our, to award the winners for our fitness challenge, we have our CEO of Right Fit, so Lexon Tabel, the CEO of Right Fit, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give a hand to all of our winners. Atong pakpakan! Grabe! Grabe. Ito ba, sir?